Thokozani ugogo nokhululisana kwasendoda lesigogo bathini bathi mavula kuvula emzini amadoda. Auntie Usha, your number one locksmith. We need to be careful of people we call friends. There's a difference between a friend and the person you grew up with. There's a difference between a friend and a neighbor. There's a huge difference. There's a difference between a colleague and a friend. There's a difference. There is a difference between somebody that you socialize together and a friend. There's a difference. The fact that you drink together, it doesn't make you friends. You know each other. You are maybe social friends, because even if you can use the word friends, within the friendship there's different categories of friends. Why I'm saying this, there are people who are not progressing in life because of the number of people they call friends, because of the number of people they see fit, or they think they have an obligation to assist because of umngani. It's a friend. Be careful. Be careful. I was very disturbed today of the guy, how he was betrayed by the people whom he called friends. Hayi bo bazalwane. Ake siyekeni ukuthatha imquba and put it in our lives and call those people friends. And let's stop being umquba nathi kwathina to other people's lives because we want to be recognized as friends. I think it's very important that we stay within our circle. We are living in the days now whereby I think spending most of the time alone and a very small cycle of people makes you think much better than a group of people or than a streamline of list of people whom you call friends. And when you need them the most, they are not there. When you pick up the phone, they are not there. But when they need help from you, you always raise your hand. You are always there. You always give it all and everything. But when you need help, when you need them, when you need elokuzana, they are not there. And then at the end of the day, then you think ukuthi uloyiwe. It's no, Gogo, it's witchcraft. When I call friends, they don't respond. No, they are not your friends. That's where you got it wrong from the first place. They are not your friends. It's not witchcraft.